Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Maria with Angelfish Design, and today I have 3 mini fall junk journals to share with you. These will be listed in my Etsy shop coming up on Labor Day, which will be September 7th, I believe. So all 3 of these are very similar, and I made them for Ephemera's Vintage Garden. These are my design team project, and inside each of them I used 3 of her digital kits. I used Lady Eleanor's journal, Familiar Trees 2, and Dyed Hues. And I will have links for those down below, along with a link to my Etsy shop where you will be able to find these again on September 7th. So this one will be number 1, and they are all tied with a bit of jute string with some little wooden beads on them. So you can use this as a standalone journal, or if you have, I believe it's the pocket size traveler's notebook cover, you could put that in there as well. So on the front we have a little pocket here, and we have flower, little falling leaves, and this one, it's very hard to see, but it says autumn on this ribbon that I have across there. And the back is simple. Pockets on the front. You have this little shaker tag. So this is a willow tree in here. Weeping willow, yes. So this one will be journal number 1, Fall Willow, will be how it will be listed. And when we go inside, these are all very similar inside. So I'll try to flip through pretty quickly so that you can see what variations there are. I have a tag and a little bit of embossed paper in this sweet little pocket. And there is, it's not really a rusty paper clip, but a faux rusty paper clip, we'll call it. And this is one of the beautiful pages from Lady Eleanor's journal. Now I printed these 2 to a page, so they came out smaller, because normally they would be a full-size sheet of letter paper. Some vintage book page. This pocket, let's see if you can see that. It is some translucent wax, brown wax paper with some flower dyes trapped in there, and then a little tag in that pocket, some lined paper from the journal, and a little fabric tip in there, and some various tea sprayed paper, I'll call it. And this is one of the Dyed Hues pages, and some children's writing paper, and this really fun paper clip that has the silk flowers, and it says woodland on it. Oh, and that had clipped in this beautiful ephemera piece from the Lady Eleanor's journal, and I've stamped along the side, it says authentic, and then done a small collage cluster of some die cuts and fibers and some more embossed paper in the back there. And another sheet, another card from the Dyed Hues. And again, I've stamped there and put another little collage and a bit of gold embossing there. And this is a round paper clip with the little leaf dangle on it. Have a small tuck spot there, and some ruffled fabric here with a button on a safety pin, and another page from Lady Eleanor's journal. And here is a neat little flip out there with a window with some more kind of wildflower die cuts trapped in there. And another one of the paper clips. This one says brisk, and this is a tag. It says golden, and it has a little tea bag holder there, the string from a tea bag, you know what I mean. Okay, More beautiful papers. Another little tuck pocket and the pretty ruffles with another dangle. This mesh is very pretty from the dollar store. Fold out page. And this is a pocket, has a little extra bit in there, another of those paper clips. And then inside is a little butterfly card. And this, if you saw one of my previous videos, we made these envelopes, these decorated envelopes. So this is a vintage book page envelope, the little baby. And that is another image from Lady Eleanor's journal. Have a bit of ruffle there as well. Just a little pocket with another little, not really a journal card, but you could leave it in there to look nice, or you could glue it somewhere else in the book. And then this side flips out. And then that is the last page, and you got a little belly band here, and this little bit of card is hiding my logo for you. All right, so that is the first one, and we'll go quicker through the other two because, like I said, they're very similar. So in this one you will have I'll have a Scottish fir, I think maybe it might be. So I'll look up what that tree was and I will have that listed with that one, but I think that's what that says. In any event, this will be number 2. Again, it has the falling leaves, the pocket, the pretty fabric. This one says foliage, and the same little bit of paper there. Your pocket with your tag. This paper clip says crisp, and then you have a large image of the baby with a nice collage there. And again, and this one is nice and distressed. The actual image had a bit of what looked like it was a tear there, so I decided to go ahead and make it a real tear. And then this one says found object. And paper clip again. A little button on the safety pin. This one says blustery. Enchanting. And there's that flip out again. And this tag, just a little 88 cents, and a bit of scrap, one of the pages. And then the butterfly card again. It's a little tricky to get that back in there. Just be careful. Okay, and then this envelope has this young man. He's our golden boy. This says forest. Flips out for some extra writing space. And again, this piece comes out and it has my logo right there. Alright, so that one is book 2. And book 3. This is a beautiful tree on here, and this says, I gotta look at it close, I can't see. Sweet Chestnut is this one. And if you would like to see a mini tutorial on how I made these shaker tags, you can find that on my Instagram in the stories section. And that will be there for you. Another cute little pocket. This one says Aspire. Normally I do the standard size Traveler's Notebook journals, so these were really a lot of fun and different to do something smaller and trying to keep everything to a miniature size. And this one says Chilly and Vibrant. Another tag. Butterfly card. And another of those faux rusty pins, paper clips. And then the enchanting Lady Eleanor. I don't know that that's really Lady Eleanor, but I like to say it is. We'll make it up as we go along. Autumn Splendor. Some more writing space. And this one has a little bit of ledger. And my logo again. Okay, thanks so much for stopping by to take a peek at those. And I hope to see you again next time. Take good care. Bye-bye.